Hey. So, as you can see, we're outside on an adventure. We got here last night and camped for the night, but we got in a little late, so everything was pitch dark and we scrambled to get set up in the dark. But here we are this morning. Nice toasty fire.
It's so wet.
And we're gonna make some breakfast.
This camping trip is the vehicle's first adventure, but it's not the vehicle you might think. We didn't take the van out because we're still working on a couple things for it, but we bought a truck.
Let's go do truck things.
First, we gotta clean up camp.
Let's get out of here. So we aired down from 73, 74 PSI at almost all 4 tires, because that's what the truck was at, and it was bouncing around everywhere on the road. So down to 50, even though that's way higher than what is recommended for any sort of off-road. We're gonna start there and see how it goes. Through, I'm a truck guy.
Where are we going next?
I'm just gonna do truck things every day. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And the journey is truck things. Where are we going next though? Right now we're going home. That's the next destination. I need a shower. And so do you.
Pack out what you pack in, so we don't have to do it for you.